Cole, what are you doing?
Wait for me, I have to go soon.
Yummy!
Wasn't my idea. Don't look at me.
Good stuff.
He doesn't know he can put it in his mouth yet.
Look.
Here. Oh. Put in your mouth. You have a towel or something, Mike? Or bag?
Oh, for you, yeah. For him, no. We're going to that.
What do you say? What are you doing?
Put it down.
Yummy. There you go. Good job, Cole. Yum. So big. So big. Good stuff.
Cole. Cole.
Yum, yum. Dab, 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 dab. What do you see?
Another flop in there.
Oh, what's Daddy doing?
This is sugarless, so
Oh, I don't care.
you won't be all.
He's open mouth. Ooh, more. Mmm. Hi.
This is great. Yeah. Put some.
Oh! We're gonna need a bath. All over my mom. Oh, Mom, I'm sorry. Oh, Mom.
It's okay.
Don't cry. Just put him down. He'll be fine. Oh, Mom, you're gonna get it all over you. Just put him down. Just put him down again. He'll let him cry. He's got to learn to deal with it. Oh, you're fine.
Pretty good.
Yeah, got it all over my mom.
That's what you get.
That's what I get.
So big! So big! Yummy!
Cole.
He's got a lot of
Oh! And on the back of his head. That's okay.
Whoop. Your feet on the chair. His first finger paint.
No, don't touch my mom anymore.
What you got? Oh, a leaf. Let's put a leaf in there. Wow. Yeah. Okay. What do you say now? We go get all washed off. Get all washed off? Okay, we're done.